Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install Twitter on your Windows 11 computer. To begin, go to your search bar and type Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store to open and wait a few seconds until the refresh is completed. Now it's refreshing and after a bit it should show several pictures and applications. Now that it's done, click on the search bar and type Twitter. Look for Twitter logo and click on it. Once you see the logo, click on Install. The download and install process will start automatically. It usually takes between 30 seconds to 40 seconds based on how fast is your computer and how fast is your internet. Once done, since the installation download is automatic, will be prompted to open the application. Click on the application to open. You can close the Microsoft Store and wait a few seconds. As you can see, here it's asking us to log in, so you can create an account or log in with your own details. You can always go ahead and close the app, and if you want to open it again, just go to your search bar and type Twitter, and it should show us the application. Since it's installed, just click on it and it should open up since it's already installed on our computer. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.